Hi, welcome to Optimum Credit Solutions. We first started our journey in 2016, and since then, we have helped hundreds of people and businesses repair their credit score, bringing always positive experiences and happy clients. We are licensed and fully registered with the offices of the state's Attorney General. Now, a bad credit score can limit you from so many things in life. All your plans and dreams are seriously threatened, and it may often seem like there's no way out of it. Well, there are always ways to successfully repair your credit score, and it's our vision to provide state-of-the-art credit repair services and exceptional customer service for our clients. That is why we will always be relentless in our methodology, stopping at nothing until we bring concrete results and a positive credit score for you. Let our experts improve your score through well-tested, brilliantly performing techniques so that you can enjoy your financial freedom and stability. Get a free consultation or choose one of our monthly plans to start with today.